All right. Thank you, Greg. Our last reader of the hour is Marcos de la Fuente. He is a Galician poet and performer living in New York, and he is a host at Bowery Poetry Club and the director of the Kerouac Festival. Please welcome Marcos.
Thank you, Nicole. Congrats. Thank you, Poetry Project. It's an honor to be here. I come from Galicia in the northwest of Spain, and today I want to bring my language here to this legendary place. This poem is dedicated to my wife, Vanessa Alvarez, that made a bilingual jacket for today. Thank you. Invisible strings, strings in throw, strings in the piano, strings like roots that keep you connected to your land, strings that nobody sees, nobody understands, but strings that you can feel, strings like all the existence around you. Dos outeiros xurdiu un nome, Manhattan, corazón de mazá da que todos comeron, corazón de cianuro que abre a porta do Edén. Eu son a voz, I am the voice, a skyscraper that come howling by sea. From the north I come, from the east I come, from the seas. My wings grew, and now I cannot enter my body in this narrow New York apartment which leaks realities on nights of wind and rain. Xiro redor das estrelas, corpos celestes camiñando pola ponte de Brooklyn. Albisco un cordal de aceiro encandeante e os meus ollos viaxan en branco e preto, escoitando a nosa lingua nesta igrexa lesendaria. Williamsburg é a marisma de Poe facendo ruidos pola alma da praia. Williamsburg is Poe Mars crying out for the soul of beach. My feet get wet each time I leave the house because I live on a street that was a sea. Now is stolen land, and from his rooftops we watch as children are killed in Palestine. Son cordas invisíveis as que nos manteñen unidos, as mesmas que procuran estas notas, estas verbas, avanzan polo físico, transforman a materia. Invisible strings, these are what binds us together, the same strings invoked by these notes, these words, move through the physical, transform matter. The string of this mouth, the baths of those strings of leather and booth. A leviathan on the coast, a sailboat flying, a flag, a nice, healthy harvest. Quero medrar os acervos nas ramas. Quero ficarse en sombra e correr libremente. Non quero seonllos. Non quero máis, nunca máis, nin mexan por nós. Quero unha lingua viva, un horizonte baleiro, un pobo unido na linguaxe do ceo. Quen se atreve? Who will step up? Quen se atreve? I want to grow legacies on the branches. I want to be without shadows and to run freely. I don't want knees. I don't want any more, nunca máis, ormexan por nós. I want a living language, a clear horizon, a people united in the language of the sky. Who will step up? Who will step up? Quen se atreve? Quen se atreve? Vai coller os cascabeis o fallado. Temos traballo que facer. Come collect the bells from the roof. We have work to do. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.